Good morning, crypto family. Justin Blunt here to bring you another cryptocurrency analysis on this beautiful Monday. Real quick, we are going to be talking about Ethereum, and I know everybody is excited because we have getting some nice pumpage ever since we hit October. And we have finally, it just seems as if we have finally come out of this just descending and this descending trend in price ever since September 7th. Ironically, when El Salvador announced that they were legalizing Bitcoin as legal tender, I guess that was enough FOMO and just bad news just to send us on a 30% retrace. But yes, it just seems now as we are finally breaking out of this descending trend, this negative trend, and we have broken this trend. And it seems like as if we may have reversed right over here, right during October 1st. So, what a great way to usher in the new month. And I'm sure many people are wondering, did we really reverse, or could we easily just come up, past this, and maybe retest this area right here around the 30 back to the lower 3000s, or could we just keep on trending up? So let's take a look where we may be struggling at right now. But I mean, so far for the daily, we have one, two, three, four, five nice daily candles. I think, yeah, this one's still forming today. But we have been this no just definitely we have been on a better trend so far for October. So if we may, let's just take our Fibonacci extension levels. We're going to go over here from the swing high of May 12th, and we're going to come over here to the swing low of around June 22nd, those brutal, brutal summer months. And if you were holding through those months, congratulations, because it is finally feels nice that we are in a better place with crypto from that point. So it seems as if $3,360 is our struggle point right now. And if I just bring it into the 4 hourly, we have finally produced some significant red 4 hourly candles. So we've come up a bit past the 0.618. And as of right now, it just seems as if we are just going for a little bit of a retest of $3,360. And we may just be flirting with this area for just a little bit. Whoops, let me just go back here. Yeah, we may be flirting with the 0.618 just a little bit at $3,360. But keep in mind, it is not outside the realm of possibility for us to come up and maybe come back into the trend, testing those lower $3,000 levels one more time, and then having a continuation to the upside. That is not outside the realm of possibility. But also keep in mind that ever since, I'm gonna go back to the daily, ever since, whoops, ever since we've reversed on July 21st, we have set a nice primary trend. Even though we had that 30% retrace September 7th, that still didn't really affect our overall trend, because overall ETH, we have been, let me just color that differently, we have been on this positive primary trend. As you can even see here, we have been, since we were in this downtrend, we were going to be squeezing between our downtrend and our primary trend, and eventually we had broken out October 1st, or really September 30th, around there. But it has been pretty good for in that regard to see ETH on a little bit more of a positive note. But are we going to be slumping back down in price? Let's just see one more time. Like I said, it's not outside the realm of possibility that we come back down and even retest the zero point 0.5 level. Like I said, even maybe come back down here. But let's see where our visible range is at right now. Let's see. Yeah, but really not too much. It's not too much of a bad level. That is just not outside the realm of possibility. Or we even just flirt around here, trend along here, and then we continue to the upside, looking to get up to 3,800 or even past 3,500. So just real quick, looking at our strength indicators, let's see where we're at. Even on our 4 hourly, as you can see on our MACD, we are starting to lose just a little bit of steam. with our 4 hourly. We are getting more toward the oversold, or we're in the oversold territory on our stochastic. We also did a slight bearish divergence on our MACD, but that didn't really seem to affect price too much. I mean, we were only came down by around 5%. So I mean, continuing, and even on our daily, when we look at our indicators, we've just bullishly crossed over on our MACD. So we are starting to form a little bit of those positive histograms. So we definitely have some positive momentum going forward. And even on our stochastic, it is getting to the overbought territory. But we could still be overbought for we could hang in these levels for a couple days up here. So it well, not that long, but we could hold up here for maybe a couple days before we do one of these, and now we're going to be revisiting the oversold territories of the stochastic once again. So just keep in mind that this wave still has some positive momentum going forward, which is all good news. So just real quick, let's just look where we're at even on our Bollinger Bands. I'm just going to bring up our Bollinger Bands really quick. Let's see where we're at and our visible range. Yep, and as you can see for our daily, we are just now, for our Bollinger Bands, we're doing the 20-day moving average right here, but we have now just crossed over, we have crossed over that moving average after struggling September. So this is nice news for Ethereum, and I believe that we have some more positive momentum to come this month. This is looking like it is going to be a nice month for crypto, if there's no black swan event, of course, and there's no negative news to tank the market. We are seems like we are going to be trending a little bit higher, and let's just see where our point of control is at right now for ETH. It was looking very nice. So, well, yeah, well, ever since then, we were at 2,500 for a point of control. But for just since July, it seems like we are just a bit above it, just a bit above our $3,200 mark for a point of control. And keep in mind, we have not even seen the top, us pierce the top of these Bollinger Bands and start these Bollinger Band uptrends right here. That's what we want to be looking for with ETH. Anytime we start piercing those Bollinger Bands, those are good times to look out for when we're really getting bought up and just starting to gain maximum strength before our next little wave crash or just a little pause. But overall, family, it is looking like a nice month for most of crypto and especially Ethereum right now. And fundamentally, there's such strong fundamentals with Ethereum to push this very forward, and I would not be surprised. I mean, I would not be surprised if we retest probably even 3,800 $4,000 if we come back up here in the weeks to come. So, and that is what I'm looking out for, family. Much peace, love, health, and wealth. I'm going to be speaking at a crypto diversity conference October 7th. I'm going to link down where you can RSVP your free tickets. So it is a free event, and if you want to, there's going to be an amazing, phenomenal lineup of speakers. So it's something that you do not want to miss. And if you enjoyed this, just give it a thumbs up. I hope I'm producing good content for you, family. But that is all I have today, family. Be blessed. Have a happy week. Have a happy Monday. Much peace, love, health, and wealth. I am out.